I'm going to show you how to use the live search bar in Exelare. Now, I'm showing you in candidates, but this applies throughout the product. Anywhere that you see a searchable field, these rules will apply and the search will behave very similarly. Now, you can determine what fields and in what order you want displayed to be able to search, and that's done by this little settings icon. Okay. Now, you also have the ability to use a variety of filters. So if I was to click on a filter, you can see that I have a number of different filters that can be applied within the field value. But you can also just start typing. So if I'm looking for any Java developers, I just start typing. I'm not doing anything else. It resolves down. If you make a mistake, it's very easy to just back out of it and get back to where you were and correct your mistake. You do also have the ability to use multiple fields when searching. So it's all about getting to a subset of data that you can then take action against. Now we do have some different operators that can be used as well. We have the ability to use a wildcard, and so an asterisk symbol is going to pull up any record where Java is somewhere in the field value. You'll notice that I went from people that were just Java first to people that might have senior Java, full stack Java developer, for example, available there as well. You can also search by using a comma. So if it's a multi-value field, you can just enter in using that comma whatever values you're looking for, and it's going to resolve itself down for you. And you also have the ability to use an equal sign with a space. And what this is going to do is show you all the records within that field that contain no data. So pretty straightforward. And again, as mentioned, it is universal throughout the product. So, for instance, this live search bar here gives you the ability to simply start typing, and as your results come up, you're able to then jump to a record. And this is across entities. So you're going to see any companies, contacts, candidates that contain that information as well.